Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry Television. We are glad to have you here today.
Basic things. The countries that milk our natural resources, those basic things you provide to your people, our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, and our prime minister, and a lot of our Nigerian leaders. Again, Biafrans, do not be deterred. You must be resolute. Do not be moved by this intimidation by President Tito and Christopher Musa. We will continue to do what we do until we all move home in the next 6 to 7 months to our homeland in Nigeria.
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu.